how to make an assignment on Google Classroom. So when you first open your Google Classroom, you're probably in Stream here. This assignment here is one that I've made and I've posted to my class. Every new assignment will appear on top of this one, but under this is where you can make an announcement to your class. So it'll appear at the top of your stream. To make an assignment, click on the tab at the top where it says classwork. And I'm going to create an assignment. So let's click on that create button. An assignment is where you can mark the work and you can make an individual assignment for each student. If you're just posting something like a link or a video, I often use material questions where the students can respond right in Google Classroom. I haven't used quiz assignment as much, so I'm not as familiar with that one, but let's try making an assignment. So here, let's do our grammar assignment. Oops, let's make that number 1, not number 0. Here we can put instructions, what I want them to do or how to do the assignment. You don't have to put anything there. In here, you can attach all your Google stuff. So I could attach something from Google Classroom. Let's put in a Google slideshow, but you can put docs and sheets in as well. Here the students can view it, so they can click on links, but they can't do much more. Or if you want them all to edit the same doc, so they're all on at the same time and they can mess each other stuff up, they can do that. But if you want them each to have their own file or their own copy, that's how you change that. You can also add website links here. You can upload something from your hard drive. You can create, so if I'm want to put on a Google Doc and I want them to have a blank one, I can click that, or you can put sheets, drawings, forms in there. They would be blank until you add something to it. I can also add a YouTube video, whether I have to search it up yet or I have the URL, not a problem. I can assign it to all my classes, some of my classes, or just the one I'm working in. I can tell students how many points the assignment's going to be or if it's ungraded. I can give a due date. I can also add a time. I can put it in topics. So if I'm a homeroom teacher, I can have all my stuff in one Google Classroom. Or I can, this is my grammar unit on nouns. And you can add a rubric. Last thing here, I can assign the assignment right now, meaning the students will see it, pardon me, in their stream right away. So it'll be right here as soon as I press that button. Or I can schedule it. Say you have a supply teacher coming in and you want it there ready to go at the beginning of class. I can schedule a date and time and it'll send it for me, no problem. Or, as I do with some of my classes, I have it sitting ready to go, but I don't want them to see it until I'm ready, but I don't know what time that'll be. So I save it as a draft. And how you know it's a draft is because it comes up gray. See how this one's colored? It's been shared with my class. Now to send that to the students, I'm going to click on it so it expands. I'm going to edit the assignment. And now I'm going to assign it. It's asking me for sure, do you want it assigned? Yes. So if I go into the student view, it's going to take a minute or two here. But what's going to happen is we're going to have a bar that comes up here and says the stream was updated. Show. Just make sure it went through on this end. So now I'm in my student view and I'm just waiting. Sometimes students find if they refresh it, it goes quicker. So mine didn't even have the black bar that says stream was updated, and there'll be a button in it that says show. So the students know to click on show and then they can see their new assignment. And every new assignment will be on top.